Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the past and bringing it into the present. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience of using the Nokia E72 in 2025. Yes, you heard that right. A smartphone from over 15 years ago in an era of foldables, AI, and 5G. So what's it like to go retro in a world obsessed with modern specs? Let's find out. Unboxing the Nokia E72 in 2025 is like stepping into a time capsule. The first thing that hits you is the build quality. A stainless steel back, solid plastic frame, and a keyboard that feels oddly satisfying. Unlike today's glass sandwiches, the E72 is compact, durable, and pocket-friendly. It doesn't scream for attention, but it definitely turns heads, especially if you pull it out in public. People either smile nostalgically or ask, "What is that?" And when you power it on, that classic Nokia jingle still gives you chills. Pure nostalgia. Let's talk specs. The E72 has a 2.4-inch display, a full QWERTY keyboard, a 600 MHz processor, and 128 megabytes of RAM. That's right, megabytes, not gigabytes. It runs Symbian OS 9.3, which by today's standards is ancient. You won't find TikTok, Instagram, or even a working YouTube app. Most modern apps simply won't run. But here's the crazy part. For calls, texts, basic emails, and even a little web browsing, it still works. I popped in a SIM card and within seconds, I was making crystal clear calls and sending SMS like it was 2010. No lag, no distractions. Typing on a physical keyboard in 2025 feels like using a typewriter in a world of voice-to-text AI. And I mean that in the best possible way. There's something deeply satisfying about actually pressing buttons. You don't accidentally send messages. You feel more connected to your words. Writing emails or notes on the E72 is shockingly fast once you get used to it. Let's be honest, battery life in modern smartphones is mediocre at best. But the E72? It's a battery king. I charged it once and it lasted 5 days with light use. No power banks, no anxiety. It's the kind of phone that just works. And keeps working. Now let's talk about the camera, or as I call it, the potato lens. The E72 has a 5 megapixel camera with an LED flash. It was good for its time, but in 2025, it's honestly bad. Photos are grainy, low res, and forget about night shots. But somehow that's part of the charm. It forces you to appreciate the moment instead of trying to capture the perfect one. Listening to music? Yep, it still has a headphone jack and even a radio. Plug in a pair of wired earphones and you're good to go. Here's what I could still do on the Nokia E72 in 2025. Make calls, send texts, access email via basic IMAP, use basic calendar and reminders. Listen to MP3S and FM radio. Browse simple websites with patience. Use it as a reliable backup phone. And here's what I couldn't do. Run any modern app, stream video, use Wi-Fi reliably on secure websites, sync with modern cloud services. But you know what? That's okay. Using the Nokia E72 in 2025 reminded me of something important. Phones used to be tools, not time traps. There's a piece that comes with a dumb phone. No notifications, no infinite scroll, just pure focus communication. So, is the Nokia E72 usable in 2025? Absolutely, if you understand its limits. Is it practical? Maybe not. But is it cool, retro, fun? 100% yes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this little journey back in time, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite old phone, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech nostalgia and modern insights. See you next time.